Welcome, everyone is a Nokia 5.4 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example, and once it's open like it is right now, simply hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. So let's try that again. Now for some reason it opened up camera. Let's try that again. There we go. For some reason it kept opening camera. I think something might be wrong with the button where it thinks that I'm pressing, what is it, power key twice? Yeah, power key twice for the camera. But as you can see, you basically hold power key and volume down, and this will capture a screenshot. Now let's see if there's another one. Yep, there's also by holding the power key, you will have the screenshot option right here. Same thing. Now whatever screenshots you have captured, all of them can be found in your photo gallery if you open up photos, and you can go to, for instance, it looks like we don't actually have folders yet because there is only the screenshots. So as you can see, there we go, there are all of the screenshots right here. So that is how we capture them, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.